Harvest season is a special time for Iowa soybean farmers. Despite a challenging growing season that featured too little rain in some locations and too much in others, Iowa's 37,000 soybean farmers are expected to harvest a record 611 million bushels. That's the equivalent to nearly 14% of the nation's projected production of 4.4 billion bushels. As October's days grow shorter and cooler, farmers are making rapid progress on Harvest 21. Can't visit a farm to take in the sights and sounds of harvest time? Not a problem. The Iowa Soybean Association will take you to the countryside in this special edition of the State of Soy.
Hope. It's a hard thing to hold on to in the face of adversity. But it's where you belong. Keep moving forward. Prove to the world you have what it takes. So the next time you feel defeated, don't forget. That grit, that determination, it got you here. Remember, you were made for this.